best ageless anti-aging wrinkle cream. Item specifics. Brand name, KIF. Item type, cream. Region of manufacture, China. Feature, anti-aging. Gender, female. Use, face. Product performance. 1. Skin texture is smooth, flat, translucent, strengthen the skin's natural moisture barrier. 2. Solve the root causes of skin aging, wrinkles gradually fade. 3. Smart balance the skin's oil and moisture ratio, rapid invasion of the skin deep. 4. Inhibition of reactive oxygen species gene. Improve skin laxity and aging. Snail Liquid Magic solves skin problems. 1. In-depth skin bottom, automatic clocking. Internal dry skin problems can only be based repair skin cells, whiten, water lock. 2. Effective repair wounds, help the skin against free radicals, with lock water, wound healing, anti-inflammatory. 3. Help get rid of the old skin, accelerate cell regeneration, reduce wrinkles and scars roll. This is Argireline Hyaluronic Liquid 6 Peptides Anti-Wrinkle Anti-Aging Skin Whitening Cream. Instantly ageless skin care. Face care. In order to avoid contact with air and liquid resulting oxidation products, uniform use of liquid sealed packaging. 1. Security bottle aseptic packaging. 2. To break apart the plastic cover-up. 3. Remove the aluminum foil lid. 4. Unscrew the cap. 5. Install drippers. 6. Use only need to gently drop 2 drops. 7. Pure liquid nourish your skin. 8. After cleansing, take appropriate face paint. 9. Hand pat massage the skin. 10. Can be used around the eye skin, eliminating dark circles play a role. 11. Pat, until the liquid is completely absorbed by the skin. Six Peptides Anti-Wrinkle Anti-Aging Cream. 12,847 orders. Average star rating, 4.9 out of 5. Buyer protection. Full refund if you don't receive your order. Payment methods. We support the following payment methods. Just visit the description link. Get more details and buy here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.